Welcome! In this video, I'm going to share with you a movement called the off-body twist. It looks a little something like this. So believe it or not, this move is actually much easier than the off-body pass. This one can feel a little bit strange, a little bit awkward, but this one moves really nicely with your range of mobility. And I find it just looks a little bit fancier and you have lots of opportunity for other movements within it. And so what we're going to do is start with our hands palms facing up on the hoop. So you'll notice that my hoop is about a 45-degree angle. And from here, I'm going to release with my right hand, rotating my left hand, the only way that feels natural, until it comes around to the back. My knuckles are pressed against my low back, my palm is facing away from me, and then I can reconnect with my right hand. My thumbs are pointed together, my right hand's palm is facing away, and the knuckles are on my low back. Here I'll release with my left, and I'm able to rotate my hand the only direction that feels natural, and until it comes to the front, where I'm palm facing up again, and all I have to do is reconnect. So palms facing up gives me this nice rotation. Palm facing down makes my hoop flat the whole time. So you can actually use that to switch the movement from flat to making the connection palm facing away and making that rotation. Something that might occur with this is you'll spend your twist all in one spot and then bringing it to the back and spending it again and then bringing it to the front. So just like our money, we don't spend it all in one place. We want to make this movement nice and fluent and even. So you're going to take your time with it. Something that can help you with this is focusing on the far side of your hoop. This is the side that's always kind of pulling away from you. So you're going to use that as a way to keep the movement nice and even. Now, when it comes forward from the back, sometimes it might bump you in the hip, or it might feel a little bit awkward having like an extra rotation or something along those lines. But what you want to do is lift your arm up just a little bit higher. This allows your hoop to miss hitting your body, and again will help you to focus on that hoop pulling away from you, so the far side of the hoop. Some things that might occur with this is that you end up gripping the hoop and it flops around. So think of having your hoop stay nice and low, so as when you come to the front, you're not running into that extra little bop or rotation. A couple of extra things with this. You can add those leg kicks, and the hoop kind of just scoops underneath your leg. As long as you're grabbing it palm facing up, the rotation will continue no problem. This also works if you're transitioning into that revolving door, and when you pop out, as long as you're grabbing it palm facing up, the momentum will continue into that off-body twist. Nicely done. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I look forward to sharing more of the awesomeness of the hoop with you. Happy hooping. Bye.